Hello guys and welcome back to Techies Guru. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your GST portal for the first time. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open your preferred browser. I have my Opera browser opened over here. You tap on New tab and then on the search bar type GST. After that, on the first link you can see GST login. You simply click on it and then you'll be redirected to this page. If you have already logged into your GST portal, then you can simply enter the username and password you've set. However, if you've not set your username and password yet and it's your first time logging into this GST portal, then as you can see, the website itself suggests that first time login should click on this link that is provided to you. So you simply click on this link. Now you'll be redirected to this page where you'll have to input your GST number and your password. Now both of these will be provided to you in your email that you have provided when registering for GST, and then you can simply copy and paste your GST number, whereas your password you'll have to enter it yourself, type it out yourself because you cannot copy and paste it. After that, you'll be given a captcha test where you'll have to enter the text that is provided to you in the picture and you can simply tap on login. Now the next stage, which is login credentials, will start. So if you're logging in for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new username and password. After you've created your new username and your password, that is your new login credentials, you'll simply go ahead and now go back and enter the username and password that you've just set and click on the login button that appears over here. After that, you will be logged into your GST portal. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.